actually essayed the role of the Indian cricket team's captain, who was a star batsman. For the moment, Karishma Tanna needn't look so worried because Shakib is batting like a star, albeit it's Jai on strike at the moment.
Well, let me tell you that Karishma Tanna herself, she has been hosting a few shows on certain TV channels which show her love for cricket, and Aarti Chabadia all smiles knowing that their team is doing so well in the middle out there, and they're here to support them, here to soak in the magic of the crowd around them on this Christmas day. And Shakib and Jai, well, gentlemen, you've given this team, this innings, a new lease of life.
As even as it gets, 12 deliveries faced, 28 scored by both the batsmen. You've got a little competition going amongst themselves.
Let's call them even Stevens.
That's another single. Oh, that could be two. Yes, they'll run off the misfield and get two as well. Achhi running between the wickets दोनों द्वारा.
ऐसी गलतियां नहीं कर सकते हैं. ऐसी गलतियां इस मुकाम पर आकर मुझे लगता है कि पूरी टीम का मोरल डाउन कर सकती हैं. देखिए, नर्व्स का गेम है ये, और जिस तरीके से बुलडोजर्स ने अभी तक पारी को संभाला है, एक अच्छा स्कोर खड़ा किया है, उसको मिसफील्ड से और इन फंबल से खराब नहीं करना चाहिए. और ये बेहतरीन शॉट ऑफसाइड की तरफ, और ये बाउंड्री पार करेगा और टोटल को ले जाएगा 66 पर. मुंबई हीरोज को डगआउट, फिर से उछाल एक्साइटमेंट में, फिर से उछाल उम्मीदों में.
रन आ रहे हैं, रन रेट 15.5 के आसपास. इस बार स्लॉट में बॉल, करारा प्रहार था ये जय भानुशाली का. दो बाउंड्री राइडर्स को बाइसेक्ट किया. देयर वाज अ डीप एक्स्ट्रा कवर and a fielder at long off. He's got it right between the two. This time it's skewed in the air. Will it be taken? No, it won't. I think he lost it in the lights with the fielder.
Well, it was not a no man's land. It was definitely an effortless zone. It could have been a catch, but I guess, like Raman said, the light got into his eye. खुशकिस्मत रहे जय, अगर पकड़े जाते तो एकदम से डिप आ जाता इस गति में, इस फॉर्म में और इस चेज में.
Look at the man who came in from deep extra cover. Lost it in the lights. Well, Chandan's a little disappointed. Spinner.
Well, a lot of batting to come for the Mumbai Heroes. They need a wicket desperately. They need a breakthrough. Will he be the one? Well, he tried to hit it big, but again, the running between the wickets, Raman, has been sublime.
Tell you what, Vineet, this is definitely match on. क्योंकि आप देखिए टारगेट क्या रह गया अब. केवल 57 रन यानी 57 रन 32 गेंदों में. आस्किंग रेट 10 के आसपास. क्या बैटिंग करी है शाकिब और जय ने. 10 विकेट हाथ में. अब ये गेम मुंबई हीरोज के हाथ में. यहां से अगर हारेंगे, ओ देखिए चोट लगी थी मनोज तिवारी को फील्डिंग करते हुए. और रन्स 22 मिलेंगे. ये 4 22 रन्स तो बह रहे हैं अभी.
जी, रन्स बह रहे हैं, और मनोज तिवारी दूसरी पारी में अपना जलवा नहीं बिखेर पाएंगे. उंगली में चोट लगी है उन्हें, और मुंबई का डगआउट कप्तान वरुण बडोला समेत आरती चबड़िया और करिश्मा तन्ना वहां पर मुस्कुराते हुए और जानते हुए कि क्या कमाल की इनिंग्स चल रही है.
खींचा के लिए मुश्किल थी यहाँ पर वत्सल खुश है. मुंबई हीरोज का कैंप खुश है, क्यों ना हो.
और ये आखिरी गेंद 5वें ओवर की. स्विच हिट की कोशिश, पर एक सिंगल ही मिलेगा. 5 रनों की समाप्ति, 5 ओवर्स की समाप्ति के बाद 73 फॉर नो आउट.
और अब काफी मुस्कान नजर आ रही है, मुस्कुराते हुए चेहरे, और ये दर्शाता है हीरोज की जो स्थिति है. केवल 52 रन चाहिए 30 गेंदों में.
Tarun is the new bowler for Karnataka Bulldozers.
पर सुनील, अगर आप इस टीम से जुड़े भी रहे हैं, आप होते क्या कहते हैं, मतलब सुदीप को क्या करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ऐसी शुरुआत हो जाए, आप एक बड़े लक्ष्य का पीछा कर रहे हैं, विकेट लेना जरूरी है. मुझे लगता है जो विकेट टेकिंग ऑप्शंस हैं, जो विकेट टेकिंग बॉलर्स हैं, उनको लगाना जरूरी है. साझेदारी पहले तोड़ना ये अहम है.
इसके लिए अजय, पहली तो बात है हमने डॉट बॉल डालना शुरू करना चाहिए. इस समय डॉट बॉल होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तभी बैट्समैन के ऊपर प्रेशर आ सकता है. So we see here the Mumbai dugout, very happy faces. And important for Sudeep is to get a couple of wickets here from Tarun.
You know, it was very interesting, Sunil. Just before the game, I was having a chat with Varun, and he didn't mention, you know, they have some very good strikers, and that's the reason he too wanted to field first. You know, that's exactly what happened. Of course, it was Saqib who won the toss, and he's looking a bit tense at the moment, in a bit of pensive mood there, but team is doing pretty well.
Good thinking, good thinking.
So I think what he was mentioning was they have some good strikers.
good thinking,
Yes,
Chris.
batsmen who can hit those big shots, go hammer and tongs. And that's exactly what they have done. Sohail Khan, the co-owner of this side of the Mumbai Heroes. Not timing it too well. We'll just pick up one more run here. Just requiring now
Super
49 of 26. Shouldn't be very tough from here.
Absolutely, Ajay. I mean, the way Saqib and Jay has given the start for the Mumbai Heroes, I think Varun and the owner Sohail Khan been happy faces. You all see that.
Oh, that's played in the air. Man coming underneath. Oh, that's taken. That's a beauty. That's very nicely taken. The ball was dipping. Not an easy catch to take. Keeping his eyes on the ball, keeping his composure. They can't believe it. But the Bulldozers' flags are waving at the moment. And that's an important wicket. That's exactly what they wanted. Just what the doctor ordered for them. Taking a wicket at this stage. Saqib the man out.
Absolutely. You know, I did mention that before. Tarun bowled couple of balls, dot balls, create a pressure, and he got a wicket here. Tarun, much needed breakthrough from Bulldozers. And Ardi Chabria, she couldn't believe it.
Yeah, that expression tells the story. Pradeep taking a very good catch. Salim out for 30. It's 77 for 1. So new batsman coming in, Sharad Kelkar. Again, a good striker. He's a powerful man. You can see those big muscles of his, those biceps. And headed, they're sending those strikers early. Sharad Kelkar, another man who can really tong the ball hard. At the moment, it's going to be Jay on strike. The chain ends when the ball was in the air. So last ball coming up of the 6th over. Oh, that's back. Once again, the same fielder coming in. This time, the ball just dropping short. Will pick up one run. Lucky there for Jay. 78 for 1.